Most of the health advice you see today is based on trends, not truth. You're told to eat less and move more, yet metabolic disease is at an all-time high. I'm Dr. PK, and I'm here to give you the one thing the fitness industry won't: scientific literacy. Welcome to DrPKlyfe. This channel is built on 5 pillars of metabolic health designed to turn your body back into the fat-burning, high-energy machine it was meant to be. We audit your grocery store to find hidden toxins. We debunk metabolic myths about exercise. We optimize your home environment. We master your nervous system, and we align your circadian rhythms for deep repair. Every video on this channel is anchored in clinical science. We don't just tell you what to do. We show you the biological why. We look at how your skeletal muscle acts as a glucose sink and how your hormones respond to light and stress. This is the education you should have been given years ago. We look at how your skeletal muscle acts as a glucose sink and how your hormones respond to light and stress. If you're ready to stop guessing and start owning your biology, hit that subscribe button. Join our global community and let's bring scientific literacy to the masses together. I'm Dr. PK, and let nature help heal you.